In the country on every side, where far and wide, like a Lepistonian spotted hide, stretched the plain to the dry grass and the dry grain. How welcome is the rain? Here, poet explains that from people to animals to nature itself, poet constructs a large picture of many ways that rain is beautiful and appreciated. Like a Lepistonian spotted hide stretched the plain. Poet is talking about here the plain. Plain due to the extreme heat. Plain also like a yellowish and brownish like leopard and spotted also. Because plain is also drier due to the extreme hot. To the dry grass and drier grain and grass both also are drier, affected due to the heat, due to the summer. Everything is welcome the rain. Next, in the furrowed land, the toilsome and the patient oxen stand, lifting the yoke encumbered head with their dilated nostrils spread, they silently inhale the clover-scented gale and the vapors that arise from the well-watered and smoking soil. For this rest in the furrow after toil, their large and lustrous eyes. Here, poet is talking about the ox who is full of passions. Why? Because the toilsome means hard-working, patient oxen, which animals are used for the plowing. They have to wear lifting the yoke encumbered head. Yoke encumbered means the wooden frame which is fastened over the neck through the nose wider opened, and have to wear the oxen with the heavy burden of the wooden frame. Always oxen stand in the farmer's field and do the hard work. Mean to say that oxen also doing the hard work with carrying a much heaviest wooden frame on his head. They silently inhale. They feel also hot. Uncomfortable they are here. The clover-scented gale. Here, small plants also, which are grown for the cattle's food. And the vapors that arise from the well-watered and the smoking soil. For this rest in the furrow after toil, their large and lustrous eyes. Lustrous means gleaming, shining. Here, poet is talking about that the happiness in the hard-working oxen seems to suggest that they are thanking God for His mercy. Which mercy? For the rain. They are also happy. More than man's spoken word, near at hand, from under the sheltering trees, the farmer sees his pastures and his field of grain. As they bend the tops to the numberless beating drops of the incessant rain, he counts it as no sin, that he sees therein only his own thrift and gain. Incessant means continuously, and here profit, prosperity, gain, profit and prosperity. In these lines, poet explains that here the farmer can only think of the prosperity of the rain, wood fetching, and farmer feels no shame in it, because after all his livelihood is important to him. In this way, this extract of this poem offers a realistic representation of the various ways the rain is value. Farmer is glad. Why? For the rain. Because he feels that as his crop nourishes, then he is prosperous and also got the profit. So, okay students, this is the explanation of the whole poem. I think you can all understand better now.